All right, let's look at the rules for adding and subtracting sig figs. So you're going to round your answer to the least precise place value of any value in the problem. So let's just do some practice problems. So this first one, we're just going to add like normal. On all of these, really, you're going to add like or subtract like normal first and then round. So 9, 10, 11. So carry the 1, bring the decimal down, 5, 6, bring down the 10. All right, so we just added that like normal, and now we're going to round to the least precise place value. So this first value is precise to the 10th place, and the second value is precise to the 1000th place. So the least precise place would be the 10th place. So our answer can only be accurate to the 10th place. So we're going to go ahead and cut our answer off after the 10th place. Look at the next number just to see if we need a round. It's less than 5, so we don't need a round. So this answer would be 106.1. All right, let's look at the next one. Again, we're just going to subtract like normal. So we can't take 3 away from 0, so we'll borrow 1 from the 4. So we have 10 minus 3, so we get 7. 3 minus 2, we get 1. Bring the 5 down. So we just subtracted like normal, and then we're going to look at the least precise place value of each value in the problem. So for 540, remember that this 0 is a trailing 0, and there is no decimal, which means it is not significant. So our least precise place value here would be the tens place, and then for 23 it would be the ones place. So the least precise place value would be the tens place. So our answer can only be accurate to the tens place. So we're going to go ahead and cut it off after. Look at this value to see if we have to round. It is greater than 5, so we're going to round that 1 up to 2. So our rounded answer would be 520. All right, for the next one, we're going to add like normal again. So we have 2, 5, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring that down 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just added those all up like normal, and then we're going to look at the place values. This is accurate to the hundredths place, sorry, and then this one is also accurate to the hundredths place, and then the thousandths place, and then the 10,000ths place. So our answer can only be accurate to the hundredths place. So we're going to cut our number off after the hundredths place, sorry. Look at the number after, which is a 5, and there is a 2 after the 5. So we are going to round the 1 up. So we will get 4.82. And then the last one is going to show you an example of kind of some interesting rounding that you might come across. So again, we're just going to subtract like normal, and we're going to get 19,999. Then we're going to look at the place values. These are all trailing zeros. There is no decimal, which means they are not significant. So this first value is only precise to the 10,000ths place. This is precise to the ones place. So our answer can only be reported to the 10,000ths place as accurate to there. So we're going to cut it off after there. We're going to look to the next number to see if we need to round up. And since it's a 9, we look to the next number, which is 9, which is 9, which is 9. We are going to just round all of these up. So our answer is actually going to end up being our first number. But that is something that you might run into. So our answer can only be accurate to the 10,000ths place. So we can't be as accurate to say that it actually would be 19,999 because we know that it's only about 20,000. We don't know how close or how far from 20,000. We just know about 20,000. So that is adding and subtracting sig fig rules.